Learning and Training Cloud is the result of experience and the work of top professionals for many years, created with the clear aim of becoming an international benchmark in the world of offline learning in all its forms, with the aim that all courses are in various languages, mainly Spanish, English, German, French, Portuguese, and in the medium-term future also in Chinese, so that our students could take courses from anywhere in the world, from their computer, smartphone, or any other mobile device. The range of courses is very broad, ranging from computer courses, through languages courses, passion skills, service management, quality, social networking, and other professional training. So we've assembled a worldwide network of partners and collaborating centers which allow us to exchange daily spending catalog of courses and go further with less effort. Learning and Training Cloud online offers training to the end customer, rents its platform for companies and distributors, sells and develops digital content, and if the client demands, the courses are personalized. Learning and Training Cloud has signed agreements with universities in different countries and different content providers to offer official qualifications. On the other hand, in Spain, we continue to face training that has brought us so much success for us and our students in recent years. And we'll continue to provide training in company or in our classrooms, providing training in the morning, afternoon, evening and Saturday. Learning and Training Cloud also bets on other lines of business, such as technology consulting, web development, SEO, SEM, and of course, everything related to social networks. Our offices in Madrid give, in principle, cover not only Spain, but also Europe, pretending to do so in the near future in the US and Asia. The headquarters, located in the city centre, business district of Paseo de la Castellana, has classrooms and examination centre. The remaining operational headquarters are located in areas with easy access to the subway and commuter. The Latin American market is covered by our headquarters in Santiago, Chile, and the city of Buenos Aires, Argentina, in the area of Puerto Madero, and in the year 2013 with the opening of the headquarters in Bogotá, Colombia, and Mexico DF. Short-term aim to obtain the necessary certifications that allow us to be a great leader in international training. Learning and Training Cloud, your company, our success.